Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about how to cure head lice. If you or your child has lice, you want a treatment that works fast. Lice occur in 6 million to 12 million school kids every year. Experts offer a few basic guidelines to help get these parasites under control. But first, let me give you a quick summary of what they're all about. Head lice are small gray or reddish-brown insects about the size of a sesame seed. They live on the human head only, not on pets or other parts of the body. Lice can't survive off the head for more than 24 to 48 hours without a blood meal. They don't hop, jump, or fly. Female lice lay 3 to 5 eggs per day and live for 30 days with food. Lice eggs are teardrop shaped and glued to one side of the hair shaft on an angle. Okay, so now that you know what you're up against, here's what you can do. If you see lice on your child's head, it needs to be treated or the lice will keep multiplying. If you live with or are close to someone who has lice, you should be checked for them as well. Anyone who shares a bed with someone who has lice should be treated at the same time. You can treat lice at home. Lice treatments called pediculicides are available over the counter or with a prescription. They include shampoos, lotions, and cream rinses. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, ask your doctor to recommend a product that's safe to use. We'll include Amazon links to some of Amazon's top-rated pediculicides. Over-the-counter products only kill live lice, not their eggs, so you apply 2 treatments about 7 to 9 days apart to prevent adult lice from laying new eggs. So that should take care of the ones on your head. Any remaining lice that are within that short window can be taken care of by washing your linens and hats and anything else that comes in contact with people's heads. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a friendly reminder that anybody can get lice and it's not necessarily a hygiene thing and nothing to be embarrassed about. So stay safe out there. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new interesting medical content all the time. We'll see you next time. Adios.
Hey rock stars, it's your girl Beth. I know that you guys are used to me coming at you with some reviews for different products, but this is actually something that I really want to more talk about. It's called Rest More. We all know that I am on the go all the time with kids, with my job, with different things I have going on in my social life. And when I come home and want to hit the pillow, I want to go to sleep. And I want to sleep sound. And that's what I get with Rest More. It mellows me out, chills me out, makes me super relaxed, and then I gradually go into a deep sleep faster than you would normally. And basically that creates for me a more intense deep sleep where I'm able to achieve a much better feeling when I wake up. It's not addictive. It just helps me create healthy sleep patterns. And that's what I need in my life, my crazy, chaotic life that I have. You know I use it. I know Adam and Sean use it, and we live by it because we're always on the go. So if you get a chance, give it a whirl. Look at the link below and try it out. Again, this is Beth with Rockstar Reviews. See you later.
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.